Saturday, March 18th, BELLWOOD-ANTIS students participated in a seed packing event organized by FCA, or Fellowship of Christian Athletes. FCA organizers and officers partnered with UNTO, a humanitarian aid organization based out of Texas. The goal of the seed packing event was to pack 40,000 envelopes of onion and okra seeds to be distributed to areas in need of fresh food.
Rhonda Mills and Steve, they were friends, and so that's the association we have to Bellwood with them. And 6 years ago, we did rice and beans whenever her daughter Stephanie was a senior. And actually, we had some people there today that were there 6 years ago, like Chloe Brown was there, Lexi was there. So there was a lot of repeats. But that was how we got involved with UNTO. And, being at 6 years, we thought it'd be a good idea to try something like this because it does make a difference.
And how does the turnout of not just students in the school, but also the community, what does that mean to you?
It means a lot. I mean, like what I said there at the end, like we have a lot of very good people in our community, and especially in our school. People always say they're worried about the next generation, but we have such great leaders in our school. Our kids are first class.
So onto I work. My formal title is Pack Hope Coordinator. We express our full kind of elevator speech or mission statement is to express the kindness of Jesus in the toughest places on earth by relieving suffering, restoring dignity, and revealing hope. So we do that through those projects or those three aid categories that I described to the group. Water, we drill water wells and water filtration systems, water sanitation hygiene projects, and then food and agriculture is part of the seeds. The seeds we did is the agriculture side, but we also do similar projects where we package rice and bean meals, rice and lentil meals for refugee situations in the Middle East and other parts of the world. And then critical aid is represented by the colors on our logo, the blue for water, green for food and agriculture, and kind of tan for a cardboard box, which is everything else. We call it critical aid, medical supplies, hygiene items, blankets, clothing, school supplies, so almost anything else.
And what did today mean to you?
It meant a lot just because of being able to help people in this way. Like, I never really have done anything like this before, so it was cool to know I'm making a difference.
Well, there's the obvious reasons that it provides a great service to needy people around the world. I mean, it's just a wonderful organization. And when I try to make decisions about what am I going to do with my day or my life, I kind of leave it to God to put an impulse in my heart or have someone approach me and ask me, would you be involved in this? Rather than go looking for stuff to do. So I just have a very strong sense of it's the right thing to do at this stage of my life.
Over 100 total individuals attended the event, ranging from students to members of the community.